So without wasting your time, let's see what we are going to make today. So we are going to make an end-to-end editing software as well as posting software for YouTube Shorts, right? So this is the video the YouTube Short has my software has edited and posted it also automatically. So it is end-to-end social media manager, poster, everything. So what this actually do is you just need to paste the YouTube video link here. Like I am taking this video right now. It's of Raj Chamani, and what it will do is it will break the segment, or it will just generate for non-technical people. It will just generate 5 to 6 short form videos out of the reel, depending on which has the virality factor. If you are from a non-tech background, you can skip this part, because in this part I am going to tell everybody that what are the tools or libraries of Python we are using in this. So if you are from a non-tech background, you can definitely skip this. Yeah, so as you will be able to see here that this is the ultimate pipeline we are using in this automation, right? If I go right here, so firstly, as I have shown you that we are taking the input from the user, then what is happening is it is downloading. Our Python code is downloading from some Python library, that is PyTube or YTClip we are using right now. That will just download it into our local system, right? Then what we are doing is we are splitting it into chunks. So 5-minute each chunk we are splitting the video in. For an example, if a video is of 10 minutes, we will breaking it into 2 chunks of 5 minutes each. So this is that part. Then we are making the transcript of each chunk, right? Each chunk, 5 minutes of chunks, we are doing the transcription of that through the Whisper API that we have installed locally, right? Then after that, the Grok, the spelling is wrong here. Actually, we are using Grok, G-R-O-Q. You can easily find, because it's open source and it is free. So that is why we are using Grok right here, and we are giving all the transcript to Grok, and Grok will decide which part is the best for short form video. Then Grok will give us the output in the terms of time segments. Then cutting will take place through the library called FFmpeg. We are using this for cutting part. And then subtitles will be burned from this only library, that is FFmpeg, and then we will show it on our UI that how many videos we have. Then on one click, also between that hook and all the title, description, that all parts will be generated by Grok itself. So Grok is doing all the work. And then we have the credential.json file from Google Console. Then we can directly upload it on our YouTube, and it is uploaded through the button press on our system, on our front end UI. Now let me show you how to make this in a very simpler steps. So as you can see, I will be putting the description, put in the description about my repository I have used. So this is the repository, this is public, and you all can use this free of cost. But the thing is, please subscribe my channel, as I have also come the comment message, please do like, subscribe on the YouTube channel. So please do that, because it takes some of the efforts for making these type of content for you guys. You can definitely put it in your end semester project as well, because this is a very big project to do. You are taking a job of literally a social media guy. So this is the repository we will be using for. You just need to copy the link here. I will be telling you step by step. So this is already I have the project, but I will be still telling you the code of this project. So you just need to do is git clone and copy and paste that link. So what will happen is, after doing this, all the backend and you will be getting this structure right here, right? You will be getting this structure. Then what you need to do is you just need to do cd backend. You just need to do cd backend, and here is the code. Then you have to create venv. So you just need to do python -m venv. All right. After this, what you need to do is you just need to write venv/scripts/activate. What will happen is it will active. You will see here a green icon, right, in which venv is written. Let me tell you what is venv is. It is the short form of virtual environment. So what you are doing is you are installing all the libraries in this environment so that it do not take the space of your system, and you are creating an environment in which your this particular program will run. Now what you need to do, simply you need to do pip install -r requirements.txt simply. So it will then take some time, install all the libraries, and you will see the structure like this, right? You won't be seeing .env right now, but you will be seeing .env.example right now, right? So this is the main thing. You have to put in all the grok API key. You just need to put the grok API key here. And now let me tell you how will you get the grok API key. Let's go here and search grok API key. Just go right here and just create a new key from here. Write the name of the key and you will be getting a new key from here. You can just copy and make a .env file first, then copy grok API key. That's it. Now the main thing is credentials.json. So you just need to get some credential.json. How you will be getting it is, go to Google Console, Google Cloud Console, just go to API and services, just go right here and go to credentials, create new credentials, OAuth client ID, application type will be web application, write the name of the application, and then here in the redirect URLs you have to write localhost :8000. You just need to write that and then just click on create. Then you will be getting an option to download the credential.json file. You can easily download that. Like I have the YouTube posting right here, and that is it. You have to just write localhost :8080, not 8000, localhost :8080 in the redirect URLs. Next step is, when you download the credential.json, just go and copy into the backend credential.json, right? That is it. Now you just need to do is run this command: python -m uvcon app.main :app --host 0.0.0.0 -port 8000. So what this means is this will run your backend. Like I can show you here. So when I ran this command, you will be getting this output here. So all the things in this website or in this application are debugging friendly, because you will be getting the debugging message for each and everything that is going on good or that is going on not good. Everything you will be getting. Now for the front end part, it's very simple. Just write cd front end. Now just do npm i. Just do npm i. It will take some time. Then just do npm run dev. That is it. Then after that, what will be happening is you will be getting this. Just open this into your browser, like I have opened here. Now just copy and paste the link of any podcast you want, then click process video. Now if you go into your backend, now I will be telling you all the steps that are happening behind. So download has been completed. Now it is breaking into chunks. So you can see 2 chunks has been break. Now for the chunk 1, the thing is going on. Transcribing thing is going on. Meanwhile, let me tell you one more thing. If I go here, you also have an option to select music as well. Right now I have put in 5 random music, but for this I have not kept any music because of the copyright reasons, So what is happening is right now transcribing is taking place. So as you can see, grok identify one viral clips for so grok has identified one viral clip for this chunk, that is 0 to 20th second, and now subtitles has been burnt into the video as well. Now if I can show you somewhere in the temp folder or in the output, as you can see, a clip has been generated. It will be shown in the front end as well, right here as well, but after the chunking has been taken place. Meanwhile, let us look at the results. You might not be able to hear the audio here, so let's go into the desktop, and if I go into the YouTube automation and in the backend outputs clips, this is the thing. Like, are you able to look at the editing, the work our system is doing? It's literally taking the job of an entry or medium level editor. You can see literally I can hire this person if someone is doing this level of editing. I know there are some issues, like here it might have been improved, like it is not capturing the full face, but this is being done in literally 0 rupees, bro. So you can justify this thing. Yeah, so more clips has been added, 3 more clips has been added, and if I go to my front end now, you can see all the clips here. This time a random music is there because I think I have set random musics, right? If I go here, one more thing before going, just search here in the Google console YouTube API. This is the most important step. I forgot that. Yeah, YouTube data API version 3 you have to go, and just click on enable, because it will be disabled for you. Just click on enabled, that's the thing. And now what to do is this is our website. If you want to upload this, just click on upload now. So as you can see right here, guys, so the clip has been uploaded to the YouTube channel, as you can see. So this is it about what we have done. I hope you like the video, and if I provided you some value, so I expect that you also provide me some subscribe button. Only a single click I need from your side, and that will be it for me. So yeah guys, that's it from my side, I think, and we will definitely come in the future with some great and amazing videos for you. So do subscribe, do like the video. Bye bye.